Our next question is H is a subset of U40 which satisfies all these conditions 5 divide x minus 1. Then we have to prove H is a subgroup of U40. Then how can we prove that? So for this we have to take two elements from H, x and y from H. As H is finite, H is finite set because U40 is finite. So we have to prove x, y belongs to H. So to prove H is a subgroup, we have to prove just this one property. That is 5 divide xy minus 1. Now how can we prove that? As x belongs to H, y belongs to H, it implies 5 divide x minus 1 and 5 divide y minus 1. This is clear. Now using these two conditions we have to prove this condition. Xy minus 1, if we add minus y and plus y, then there is no change in this number. Now taking common y from first part, so we have y x minus 1 and the last part is y minus 1. So this is the first part. First part can be written as like this and second part can be written as this. Now as 5 divide x minus 1, so this portion is divisible by 5 because when 5 divide x minus 1, then 5 divides y x minus 1 also. Also we have 5 divide y minus 1, so 5 divide this part. Therefore by the property of divisibility we know that if 5 divide a and 5 divide b, then 5 divide a plus b. So using this fact we can say that 5 divide x minus 1 y plus y minus 1. After simplification we can say that 5 divide xy minus 1 because this number is equal to xy minus 1. Therefore xy belongs to H. So H is subgroup of U40.